Before diving into the latest and greatest of ChatGPT from OpenAI, we need to understand some basics of where it all started from. I will touch upon some fundamentals in history here in this video, so you can correlate it. OpenAI, where AI stands for artificial intelligence. Probably this term might not be new for a lot of them, might be hearing it for a long time, right? If you look back into the history of AI, it started in 1940 to 1960 itself and was not just born. They started to get legs during 1970 to 1980 with the birth of microprocessors, which led to expert systems, fuzzy logic. These AI technologies became more powerful around 2010 when we started to see a surge of datasets and super high computing power. Finally in 2015, OpenAI was founded. But it's not just OpenAI, lots of other big companies like Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft and lots of other global companies have invested in these areas over the time and each having their own unique value proposition. Okay, so what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and act like humans. These intelligent machines can be trained to perform a variety of tasks, from recognizing patterns to making decisions, without the need for human intervention. Some examples of AI include self-driving cars, facial recognition software, and virtual personal assistants like Alexa. AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries and has already had a significant impact on the way we live and work. Though it looks like lots of people are investing in AI and working on random things, everyone is competing and marching towards these few types of AI, broadly artificial narrow intelligence. This is where the system is programmed to do a very specific task. We have lots of applications today which are performing this, like self-driving car technologies, or facial recognition to unlock the phone, Alexa which can answer what it is taught to reply. These technologies rely heavily on machine learning. When we talk a lot about ChatGPT by OpenAI, it barely touches some of the AGI checkpoints. We have to really do a lot more to develop a full-fledged AGI system. Here is where heavy investment is happening now. The second stage where we are currently in the development and competency is called the artificial general intelligence. Also referred to as strong AI, is the ability of machines to think, comprehend, learn, and apply their intelligence to solve complex problems, much like humans. But this is still not achieved by anyone yet. Stage 3, or where everyone is trying to get there, is artificial super or strong intelligence, where the technology will surpass human intelligence. When we will get there is a big question for everyone. But there is a theory that there will be exponential growth from here. We have to wait and see. Even with today's capability of ChatGPT, people are so excited. But we have a way to go. Corporate companies are trying to become the AGI company, which is where we are today. Few companies to list are OpenAI, DeepMind, which is Google's AI division which was bought by Google in 2014. Also, there are a lot more companies which I am not listing it here. Artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial superintelligence can be mapped to the categories of reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. Please note that these categorizations may not be definitive or universally accepted, as AI is a complex field and different people may use different categorization schemes. One more thing I want to touch up on before getting into the OpenAI's ChatGPT. What is the core of this AI? In the field of artificial intelligence, a model is a representation of a system or process that can be used for making predictions or decisions. Models are created based on data and are designed to capture patterns and relationships within the data. There are many different types of models that can be used in AI, including statistical models, machine learning models, and mathematical models. In general, the process of creating a model in AI involves collecting and analyzing data, selecting an appropriate model type, training the model on the data, and then evaluating the model's performance. Once a model has been trained and tested, it can be used to make predictions or decisions about new, unseen data. OpenAI is a research institute that aims to promote and develop friendly artificial intelligence. It was founded in 2015 by a group of entrepreneurs, researchers, and philanthropists with the goal of advancing AI in a way that is safe and beneficial for humanity. OpenAI conducts research in a variety of areas related to artificial intelligence, including machine learning, robotics, and economics. The organization has developed a number of notable AI technologies, such as the GPT. Its founders and supporters include Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and Greg Brockman. Recently, Microsoft have invested in multi-year multi-billion-dollar with OpenAI. This, along with Google DeepMind, will give a very good healthy competition for all the AI innovations to happen in the coming decade. Hopefully we will get to see an AGI product soon from these companies and many others. OpenAI provides a family of models: GPT-3, Codex, and Content Filter. The GPT-3 has 4 main models as of now, which are suitable for different needs like more powerful, faster but less powerful, etc. Codex is the descendant of the GPT-3 model and can generate code. This model is trained mostly by millions of public codes in GitHub. The other main model is the Content Filter. This is particularly to filter the content for sensitive and unsafe information. ChatGPT is a variant of GPT-3 architecture and not identical to any model supported by the OpenAI itself. GPT, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a type of language model developed by OpenAI. It is a neural network-based model that has been trained on a large dataset of text and is able to generate human-like text by predicting the next word in a sequence based on the context provided by the previous words, limited memory. GPT has been used for a variety of language-based tasks, including language translation, language summarization, and conversation generation. When I said it's limited memory, if you look at this conversation. Initially I started with asking a question. Now it knows the context. The next question need not be having the same context, but the AI will know the previous context and will answer based on it if the question is relevant. It also learns the mistakes and correct itself if you provide more information like some reference. The use cases are huge. You can ask it to write a program for you. Or if you are a student, it can write an essay for you. Give you a complex problem to solve. Be an interviewer. Gives you financial insights and gets a deep dive analysis of a certain company. The use cases go on and on. At least I could think of 100 plus such use cases by ChatGPT. It will require another good video to showcase it. But wait, is this going to be free? Maybe. As of now it's still free, but it's not guaranteed that you will be able to get access all time based on the peak usage. In the US, as of February 2023 they have introduced a ChatGPT Plus version, which is $20 per month. It's available all time including peak usage, and it will be faster and updates will be available quicker. Given that these models are so powerful, can anyone use these models to develop applications? Of course, yes. OpenAI provides APIs which can be used to develop applications. You can get some of the sample applications here. There are almost 100 plus examples here. You can open these examples in the playground page they have provided to test it. Though it's free for only a limited time. Not all models were working on this playground when I tested. Here, I am selecting the text to Python example which uses one of the Codex models. Let's see what it does. It does not work perfectly, but it does something for sure. You can write an application using those APIs from core using your own way. Also Azure provides an integrated platform for you to deploy them and use it with ease on their platform. Their pricing details for each model including the usage and training are provided in this page. Hope you got a fair idea about AI, OpenAI and ChatGPT. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like to watch similar videos and help my channel. Thank you. See you in another video.